Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you how I am going to create a natural glowy, I think it's just going to be a nice glowy updated look for Christmas, because not many people want to go glam. So the video I did prior was like a nice Christmas green eyeshadow glam. It was like heavy duty, so not everyone wants to do that. So I think I'm just gonna, bring it down a little bit and do something a little less out there. So before I begin, I just want to start by talking about my nice jewelry pieces that I got. I've got this necklace here, which is beautiful. This is called Niche. This is £86 at the current moment. Ana Luisa actually sent me these pieces, so thank you very much. They're actually beautiful. The next piece they sent me was this little bracelet here. This beautiful butterfly bracelet. That one is called Mariposa, and that is £54. They're currently running a buy one get second 60% off, so even better than half price, is 60% off. I chose these pieces as well because one, my previous video, you probably saw me with this and this if you've seen it. If not, check it out. And I wanted to get the matching pieces, so I got the matching earrings to the necklace, as you can see, and then I've got the matching necklace to the bracelet. So yeah, these are the pieces. Ana Luisa is a carbon neutral jewelry company, so it's all about saving the planet, guys. You know, one footstep at a time, or you say footprint. They make really beautiful sturdy pieces. Most of these pieces are like 14k on sterling silver, so they're really made out of like good materials, and they don't fade, they don't turn brown, they look nice, they're shiny. And I don't know, I just really love the pieces. So if you want to take a look, check the link down below. It's got like a affiliate link just to let you know. So yeah, check it out. Buy one get second 60% off, which is sick. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my face with the Nivea Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Plus Energy Day Cream. Love this cream. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the NYX Marshmallow Primer. Just going to pump a bit of that in my hand. So it's mainly the T-zone area. And then whatever product I have left over on my hands, I just pat in. Okay, so I'm going to be using the True Match Nude Plumping Tinted Serum. This is in 2 to 3 light. I just guessed. I bought this actually when it first came out. I have never used it, but I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I might as well try it out today. It's supposed to have a lovely light coverage with like a moisturizing, like a tinted moisturizer effect. So if it comes out hella dark, which it probably will, I apologize. So I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Eye Bright Illuminating Under Eye Concealer in Porcelain. I love this because it's light, kind of like airy, and it doesn't cake my under eyes, but it just gently brightens, and you can also layer it and it just doesn't cake, so that's why I love it so much. I'm just going to set my under eyes with the XX Revolution Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Just pressing that under my eye. I really like this powder because of how fine it is. And then I take Miss Fenty Beauty in Loose Powder in Butter. And I take that, putting it on the cap and just setting the rest of my face with this powder. So now I'm going to do the eyebrows, and I'm going to use the XX Revolution XX Fine Brow in Deep Black. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in, I don't actually know, Sun-Kissed Bronzer, Mermo Butter Bronzer, it doesn't say really. But this particular shade, love it, really natural. You can really layer it up to how heavy you want. It doesn't go on like smack bang wallop. and it doesn't make it difficult for you to blend out. So this is why I really, really like this bronzer. I've heard a lot about Physicians Formula over the years when I used to get into makeup, especially from It's Judy time. Love it. Really nice. So just cheekbones, temples, round the edges of the forehead, back round. So I just go like in a C motion. Most people like to do the 3. Sometimes I like to do the 3, like 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. But yeah. I just want to build up my bronzer a little bit, so I am going to use this particular powder here. This is Sculpt. I think this is from MAC, am I correct? Yeah, this is from MAC. This is Sculpt. It says C25 on the back. I really like it. It's a nice cool tone contour pan, and it's not too crazy, like it's really natural looking, and I love this bronzer. I think I've had it for years, I'm not gonna lie, you know. I'm gonna use the Morphe Eyelid Primer in translucent. It's really dusted and crusted, like this is old as hell, but it still works, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna grab the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. This palette screams Christmas to me. I don't know why. I think it's just the color scheme, the shimmers, the shine, the glam and whatnot. Even though we're doing natural, obviously we're not gonna touch like all the colors in here, but my quick natural looking glam is a sweep of color and a bit of shimmer. Period. That is it, and it works for me and it might work for you, so give it a try. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush and I'm going to start off with this shade here. It's called So Bougie, and it's a really pale tan. Obviously this is working for my skin tone, so if you have a more medium to darker skin tone, you're going to take a shade that's a little bit darker, and then the second shade that I'm going to put on is going to be a little bit darker than this So Bougie shade, so take a shade a little bit darker than the original shade you're putting on first. So I'm going to take this and I am just sweeping it back and forth. We're building a base, okay? So let's build our base colour. So this to me is like a sweep of just brown on the eye. It's not too crazy, not too heavy. Now with a smaller, fluffier brush, I'm going to take this shade here, Cocoa Truffle, which is a darker brown, and I'm going to put this on the outer corner of the eyes. We are not going too crazy with this. It's just a little bit of shading. So I start on the outer corner of my lash line and I kind of drag it along my lash line like that. Maintain focus right here on this outer corner and like bring it in and blend at the same time. So it's almost like I'm pushing it into my socket, pushing it in but not pushing it in, just gently going over it. And if you want to make this more exaggerated, you can take an even tinier brush and just take the black shade here and just start to go back in on top of the brown shade and just buff it out, just exactly how I did it with the Cocoa Truffle shade. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want to have any extra steps. I just want to let it look cute and get over and done with. Okay, so what I'm thinking, I'm going to do 2 shimmer shades only because I'm a little bit extra. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take this shade here, which is like a rose brown, rose gold, classy and sassy. I'm going to take that first and I'm just going to pack it on the central part here, close to the inner corner, and just keep it like central and drag it and pat it out. I'm not taking it fully to the corner where I put the matte shadow, just keeping it quite central, using my finger because I feel like it packs on better than taking a brush. Now taking this shade here called Rich Girl, which is a nice shimmery silver. Just from the inner corner here, so like the tear duct area, to meet central with that shade that we used before. So the Classy and Sassy. I'm going to use that as an inner corner highlight as well. Taking Cocoa Truffle again, I'm just going to grab a little bit of that, pat off the excess, and just bring it on the under part of my eye, just on my lash line, just gently bring that in, not going too heavy. Just putting a bit of that same shimmery eyeshadow, the light one, under here. Okay, so next, lashes. At this point you can use mascara, but I'm going to use lashes because I like lashes. So I'm going to use the Lash Queen London lashes. These are in honey. Yeah, these are in honey. These are really nice and natural, and I can just brush a bit of mascara through that to make them look a little bit more realistic. So I'm just going to apply these. Taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. This is in Blossom Glow. I know the lashes give it like a whole nother glam effect, but this is really nothing. If you want to make it more natural, just go with some mascara or more natural lashes. Me, I'm just extra. I am just extra. So Cupid's bow, tops of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose and chin, and I'm just going to get a small, really small brush with the same highlighter, and I'm going to highlight the under arches of my brows. This adds a little bit of pop right there. I am extra, so I'm going to add some Fenty How Many Carats highlighter on, just a little bit. Just a little bit of blush. I'm going to use the Misguided Stop I'm Blushing in Super Like blush. Just going to take a bit of that. Right, so at this point you can do any type of lip combo that you want. Usually I would go for a natural lip liner, kind of a little bit darker, and then like a really sparkly lip gloss. Maybe I'll go with a red. I'll see if I like it. If not, I'm going to do my regular combo. So I'm going to use the Miss Sporty lip liner in Wine 012. I don't even know if this brand is still around anymore. Now I'm going to take the Kiko 3D Hydra lip gloss in 16. This is like a metallic-y shimmery red. Okay, so this is the final look. It is, okay, you know, I'm so extra. I always go the extra mile, especially when it comes to my makeup. But it doesn't have to be as extra as this, but it is more of a relaxed version of my normal glam. So even though I've done a red lip and I've done some long ass eyelashes, it's still a little bit more relaxed. So this is the look. This is my natural glam. I'm probably going to go with something like this for Christmas Day anyways. So yeah, I just know myself. I know I'm going to be tired Christmas morning, and I'm not going to want to spend 10,000 hours doing my makeup. So this is my go-to. This is a natural. You can dim it down a little bit if you don't want it too glam again. So yeah, before I go, I also want to just kindly thank Ana Luisa again for sending me these pieces. So the bracelet, the earrings, necklaces, thank you so much. Again, check the link down below if you want to purchase. Buy one, get second, 60% off. And they make some beautiful pieces. You will actually see some amazing pieces. I'm going to grab some for my friends because they just look amazing. So yeah, this is the look. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.